All right, so let's take a look. Here is what happened in the markets today, Wednesday, December 16th, and we're going to do this in 5 minutes or less. So let's take a look at the economic calendar today. All eyes were on the FOMC statement as well as the economic outlook, the economic projection. So markets were a little bit nervous going into today, but at the end of the day, as we can see here, markets didn't go anywhere. So let's take a look at the Dow Jones here. So the Dow Jones lost 45 points and is down 0.15%. The S&P 500 advanced 0.18%. And the NASDAQ, actually a little bit higher today, climbed 0.57%. But as you can see, pretty much an uneventful day. So why? What's happening? Well, during their meeting, the FOMC said that they will support the economy and buy at least 120 billions of bonds per month. And they say until substantial further progress have been made. These are their words, whatever it means. And there also got some good news from the stimulus front. And we already talked about it yesterday because the new idea is to split the package into two parts. $748 billion in spending for programs that both parties agree on, which would include $300 per week for unemployment and then another $300 billion for more loans under the Paycheck Protection Program. And the other part would be $160 billion that's left. And this includes the areas that Democrats and Republicans still disagreeing on, like financial aids to state and local governments. So they want to leave that aside for now. And Mitch McConnell said today that he is, his words, optimistic that we are going to be able to complete an understanding sometime soon. Well, this is really political talk because we have heard this already several times. So the markets today did not care. You see, at this point, we want to see a stimulus package going through instead of hearing we are close. Now, in other news, let's take a look at the markets today. Bitcoin was in the news today. So Bitcoin versus the dollar, because Bitcoin today passed $20,000 for the first time ever. Seems that Bitcoin is getting more and more traction, but of course, this is not moving the stock market. So here are the three things that traders will focus on for the next few days. Number one, the stimulus package. Will we finally get it, or will everybody keep saying, oh, we're close, we're close? Anyhow, the second thing that traders are focusing on is, of course, the coronavirus and possible shutdowns. Will New York City shut down, as the mayor said it could happen? What about other cities? Will they follow Europe, where, for example, Germany shut down today, and also London in the UK shut down today? Number three, here's the third thing that traders are focusing on, and this is vaccines. Now, as you know, we are already rolling out the Pfizer vaccine. It's being administered since Monday, and the FDA is expected to approve Moderna's vaccine on Friday. Anyhow, this wraps up today's stock market news in 5 minutes or less, and we took 3.5 minutes. Now, keep in mind when trading, trade what you see and not what you think, and I'll see you in the next video.